Okay, so I'm gonna get 3 drinks.
Okay, what's the first one?
The first one is a venti iced triple espresso.
So you just want it in a venti cup?
Yes, please.
Okay,
so this is gonna be blended. So a venti iced triple espresso,
blended,
unsweetened, please, with a splash of coconut milk.
Okay.
3 sugar-free vanilla and 3 packets of stevia, and then just blended.
Awesome. So that's the first drink.
Yes, and then the second drink, I'm gonna have a Grande iced coffee with a splash of almond milk and 2 stevias.
Sorry, could you repeat that for me?
A Grande iced coffee with a splash of almond milk and then 2 stevias.
Okay, so you don't want the classic?
Yeah, no classic.
2 stevia, perfect.
And then the third drink, a Grande skinny caramel latte. And then
skinny caramel latte, okay.
And then we'll use just a little bit of cream for that.
You want cream on the latte?
Instead of milk, just a splash of
you want
cream.
it made with cream?
Yeah, just a little bit, like just a small, like maybe a tablespoon.
Okay, so you want it made with non-fat milk and cream?
Okay, let's do a double espresso, a splash of cream.
Okay, do you want caramel in this one?
Yes, please, a light caramel sauce and then 2 sugar-free vanilla.
Perfect. Is that all for you?
Yeah.
Come on up.
Thank you. That was interesting. I don't know why it was so complicated. I'm pretty sure you can get a skinny caramel coffee or a skinny caramel macchiato, whatever I ordered, made with cream. I'm pretty sure you can get that. Do you think it's bad that he can see the camera? Do you think it doesn't matter?
Flip your thing down.
This thing down?
Yeah, flip it down. Yeah.
Hey.
Hi.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Thanks. And then I'll just need a tray, please.
Okay. No, I got it.
At least I'm not the only confusing person. Someone's like, I want 2.5 milk.
No worries. Is that all for you today?
It's complicated.
A Cubano?
Thank you.
Okay.
I think this is good. Okay.
Okay, so this is cold?
This looks good. Sorry, can you hold this for a sec?
Okay, I'm gonna give you new lids. How's that?
No, why?
Do you need new lids?
No, these are
It looked like
perfect.
it was dripping.
No, this is
I'm gonna do
perfect.
this. Obviously, the lids aren't fitting really well, so I'm gonna do this
Oh,
for you.
okay. Thank
There
you.
go. You're welcome. Hi there.
Oh, yeah, that was nice of him. I think because he saw the camera, he was like, oh, I don't want her to get me in trouble or something. Because some people are secret shoppers. Okay, where should I do this? So I'm just gonna take a sip of a couple of the drinks. I just want it to be an open area. Maybe right here, because no one's going in front of me. So I just got these 3 drinks. I'm gonna have a taste test of each one. The barista was a little bit confused when I was ordering. I think on one of the drinks, I said a caramel latte with cream, but I didn't want, you know, half the cup to be filled with cream, obviously, because that would be way over 100 calories. So I'll put in the description the correct drink and how to order it so you don't make the same mistake that I did. But let's have a little taste test of each one. Okay, so the first one is a triple espresso. It's in a venti cup, and I asked for light coconut milk, 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and 3 stevias. So let's try these. Oh, and by the way, I actually have never ordered these drinks. I researched them first. So this is also the first time of me trying these. So let's give it a go. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's not too sweet, so refreshing. That is so good, you guys. Like, I actually can't believe how delicious that is. It kind of tastes like coffee ice cream. It's icy, but it's creamy because of the coconut milk, and the consistency of it is really good. I've ordered a blended drink before without any sugar, and it was pretty much, it just tasted like ice. So I would give this drink a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna call this my coffee ice cream, okay? Because you can literally, I can show you what it looks like on the inside, but you can probably scoop it out and just have it like ice cream. So this is super delicious. I would definitely order this again. All right, let's see for the second drink. Now this second drink, I probably ordered this about every single day. This is just really easy, not complicating for the barista. But yeah, this I order every single day. So I know it's gonna taste delicious, but I'll do the taste test for you in comparison to the other drinks. Here we go. Yeah, that is just delicious. It has such a nice flavor. It's smooth. As you can see by the color, sometimes you order Starbucks drinks and they're so clear and white. I find that way too oversaturated. It just tastes so fatty and sugary. So this is really light. It still has a subtle sweetness to it. I would give it an 8.5 out of 10 just because this coffee ice cream was so delicious. But this is definitely a good simple drink that you can have every day. If you love caramel lattes, I know every basic girl loves their skinny caramel latte, then you would love this one. But it is not, it's under 100 calories, so it's not heavy, it's not loaded with carbs and sugar. I also have the macro breakdown of each drink for you as well, so you can compare and try all the drinks. So this one here is a Grande iced coffee. You have to ask for no classic syrup, okay? Or else they'll add their classic syrup, which is loaded with carbs and sugar. And ladies, we do not want that. We want healthy carbs, not the carbs that comes from a syrup. Okay, so this is overflowing, but that's okay. You can see they filled it way too much. It's spilling everywhere, but this is a Grande iced coffee. I asked for light cream, light caramel drizzle, and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. So let's try this. That is so good too. It tastes probably the most rich out of all the drinks. These two here taste a little bit lighter because of the coconut milk and the almond milk. Because this is made with cream, you can definitely taste the more rich creaminess of it. It definitely tastes like the more high calorie drink, but it still is really delicious. So if you find it hard to kind of get away from milk and dairy, we'll probably start with this one and then merge your way into this drink here, the coffee ice cream, and then merge your way over to this one, because this one here is definitely more extreme. I would give this about an 8 out of 10 just because I'm used to having my coffee not as sweetened and not as much cream. But if you are someone who really likes the creaminess of your coffee and you find it hard to get away from sugar and cream, then definitely go with this one. It is pretty delicious, not gonna lie. I just not a fan of cream, so that's why I'm not a fan of it. So I give this one an 8 out of 10. Overall, these drinks are super delicious. I'm so glad I tried something new. I know if you're like me, I order the same thing every single day, which is this guy here. With the light almond milk and 2 stevias, I order the same thing, but sometimes it's great to just be creative and step outside of your comfort zone and try something different. This is one I'm definitely gonna order again. I know I have a pretty big sweet craving. I love my sweets, so this definitely takes the craving away. I used to be addicted to coffee. I still kind of am, not gonna lie, but I used to have about 4 coffees a day, which is not good for our bodies. We shouldn't be having insane amounts of coffee. So if you find yourself having way too much coffee, slowly cut back. But I think 1 or 2 a day, there's no harm in that. I like to have mine in the morning right when I wake up. I do always have lots of water with my coffee too, because coffee is a diuretic. So always make sure that you're drinking tons and tons of water with your coffees, okay? So this is the end of my video. I hope you absolutely loved it. Please don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see, and have an amazing day.